Want to see how I transform my hair from this to this? We begin with a gorgeous wash by Original Mineral Hydrate and Conquer shampoo and conditioner. It's rich with macadamia oils, organic coconut and sea kelp. I begin with O&M Rootalicious Volumizing Mousse. I massage this into my roots for the ultimate root lift before brushing the rest through my hair. Next up is a salon favorite, Project Sakuroi Gold Smoothing Balm. I next blast dry my hair and dry it off almost 90%. I'm using the Hot Tools Volumizer brush to smooth out my hair and create a bouncy blow dry. I'm setting each section with a Velcro roller. I use the volumizer brush on top of and underneath each section to really smooth out the hair. However, I finish each section with the brush underneath as I want the ends to curl towards my face. And as you can see, with each section, I'm setting with a Velcro roller and a pin. I do this around my entire head. The Hot Tools Volumizer brush is so easy to use and a lot less strenuous on my arms as opposed to using a brush and a blow dryer. My ends are looking so smooth and glossy thanks to the Gold Smoothing Balm. It truly is a salon favorite product. After I have set my fringe, I let my hair cool down to room temperature before taking out any of the rollers. The icing on the cake is the O&M Frizzy Logic Shine Serum. This will fight the humidity and frizz thanks to the organic argan oil and macadamia nut oil. My hair is left feeling so silky smooth and fresh. I love it.